You think the market's dead? Well, not here in Eugene. Homes are still selling and some of them are moving fast, but only if they are priced right, updated, and show ready. In this market update, I'm going to break down what's actually happening here in Eugene and nationally. The median price for a single family home in Eugene is sitting anywhere around $510,000. That's about 14% higher than the national average. But prices here have stayed pretty flat over the past year. Now, let's be real, updated homes that are priced right are still flying off the market. We are seeing homes go pending anywhere from 12 to 16 days, and over a third of those selling are above asking. Inventory in Eugene is still tight. We are about 3 months of supply. So yeah, definitely still a seller's market, but buyers are being cautious and smarter. So presentation, pricing, and condition really matter. Sales are actually up 22% from this time last year. So demand hasn't completely disappeared. They're just being more selective. Here's what buyers are jumping on. Homes with updated kitchens and bathrooms, clean curb appeal, neutral paint and flooring, listings that don't need tons of work, and homes that are priced based on today's market, not a few years ago market. If it looks dialed in, it's priced right, it's gonna go pending. If it's overpriced, needs lots of work, it's gonna sit. So let's talk about the national market. The median home price is about $435,000. That's up 2% year over year. Inventory is creeping around 4.7 months of supply across the US, which means buyers in other markets, they have a little more breathing room. Rents nationally are averaging $2,100 a month, while Eugene averages around $1,700 a month. So it is a little easier on renters here. The national market is stabilizing, but Eugene is still competitive and moving. So let's talk about Powell and interest rates. Now, what is going on with interest rates? A lot of people expected Jerome Powell and the Feds to start cutting rates. Inflation's still hanging around. The job market's strong, and Powell isn't budging just because people want him to lower those rates. The Fed says they're watching the data, and until inflation cools off more, they're holding the line. There's a chance we might see a 1 or 2 small cut later this year, but don't expect them to return down to the 3% or lower anytime soon. This might just be the new normal. So what should you do? If you're thinking about selling and you don't know where to start, or you're not sure it's the right time, I totally get it. The market is different, but here's what hasn't changed. Homes are still selling. You just need the right strategy. I'll help you figure out updates that are actually worth doing and how to price it to move, and connect with you with my trusted pros to make it really easy and simple for you. And if you're buying, I'll help you understand today's rate mean for your budget, where to look, and how to stand out without overpaying. So just send me a message, comment down below if you're thinking about it.